make tabbouleh or tabouli. I made this salad probably over 100 times that I can say with lots of confidence that I became an expert of making tabbouleh. So each time I make shish taouk, this salad has to be on the side because it has that lemony, zingy, salty flavor. It is light, it is packed with healthy ingredients. So I really enjoy this salad and I love to share it with you all. So let's get to it. To make this simple recipe, we need 1 cup bulgur. It's a whole grain. Once it's prepared, it's tender and fluffy. And also, a lot of people will confuse this with couscous because they are a bit similar, but couscous is actually tiny pasta, so be sure to get exactly the same. The next ingredient is a fresh parsley. Authentic tabbouleh uses a ton of parsley. That is why this salad is really green, and usually I use the flat leaf. It is best for tabbouleh. Next ingredient will be tomatoes. It will add more colors and texture. Okay, moving on to the next ingredient. Tabbouleh is dressed in a simple combination of olive oil and lemon juice. Also for this recipe, I am using 2 onions. I chose to use 2 small ones. And finally, some salt. Keep in mind that do not cook your bulgur because we don't want that. I always soak it with hot water and let it sit for maybe 10 minutes and you're good to go. So basically I am using half a cup of bulgur and almost 1 cup of hot water. So we're gonna let it sit for 10 minutes and we're gonna go chop our veggies. Alright, so the fun part, we're gonna peel the onions and cut them. So there's a small tip for you guys. Some people drain the tomato juice, but I never do it because I really love the texture, the moisture, the juice. It adds a lot of flavor, so I rather keep it. So you could do the same as well if you like. If you're not comfortable to chop these, you can also use your food processor. That would also help. can see, everything is almost ready. Everything is chopped. My bulgur is ready as well. It is soaked, and you can see it is absorbed in the water. So still, you don't see too much water, but I'm gonna just drain it to get rid of excess water. So let's do that. You see? Alright, so we're gonna combine everything together in the mixing bowl, starting by tomatoes, fresh chopped tomatoes. I didn't get rid of the water because I really like it, but you could get rid of the water if you want to. Now we're gonna add the onions, fresh parsley, we are going to add the lemon juice. Yum. We're going to add the bulgur. About 1 teaspoon or 2 teaspoons of olive oil. Tomato release a lot of moisture when they're exposed to salt, so be sure to add the salt at the very end. So now we're gonna toss the salad. We're gonna mix everything together to get that zingy, lemony juice everywhere because I really love the lemony flavor. So let's just mix this. Wow, look at that freshness. It is packed with flavor and goodness. I cannot just wait to eat this. Honestly, I can eat this every day. I'm not kidding you. Alright, so we are done with this simple recipe. It looks beautiful. This is a Lebanese salad, which I really love. It's dotted with some fresh tomatoes and onions. It is packed with so much flavor. There's lemon and there's zingy flavor, so it is absolutely good. You have to try this out because it's my absolute favorite. I love this salad. I can eat it every single day. So give it a try. Let me know how you guys like it. Don't forget to comment down below, give it a like, and don't forget to subscribe, share with all your friends. Thank you so much for watching. Until the next video, bye bye.